We from GUP Motors are a dealer specializing in exporting Kingeling trucks. Our cars come off the assembly line and enter the warehouse. The truck is transported to the port by trailer and loaded into the container. What you see now is our transport staff loading the truck. After loading, the car is sent to the port. The truck has been transported to the port. Next, the staff will do the preparation work before shipment. You are now looking at the staff sorting out the tools on the vehicle. Reflective vest, ashtray, tripod, jack and toolkit. Of course, you can also choose to pack them together. Next, professional staff will start packing. This time, 3KV100 models are loaded in one container. Different models can be loaded into different containers. We help customers save freight as much as possible according to the model. The loaded containers are transported to the terminal by truck for loading. After 1-2 months of drifting at sea, you will receive your car.